Here's the next installment of Adventures of the Second Level. This right up here. And I'll show you a little bit what it is right there. Okay, now we'll come back to tell you what I did. I put the cork road bed on the elevated part, put the track on it, soldered it, put it back up or staged everything and all that good stuff, and you'll see what I did. So here it is. We got that finished, and now we wait for it to dry, and then we could put our track work on there. Planning out how the tracks are going to go and where the buildings are and what elevations they are going to be at. And it's just pretty close. And here we go. So and I'm just doing this for a record for later, because I got to tear all this back down and put bigger pieces of styrene in there and bolt down the back and put some scenery back there before I even put these buildings in here. I have to raise the track in the front at least 2 inches. So what I'm doing is I'm putting this up on 1-inch foam, and the street will be up an inch, and downtown garage will be up an inch, and then I'll have Matthias down just a little bit, and then this thing here, the AAA, maybe up a little bit higher than this, and then J-bomb to back, and then down here. So the street coming up will go like this. We'll have a sharp ramp off of here on that side. I put the cork road bed and I nailed down the stuff. I just got to get the angle brackets, so I could pull that down, because once I glued the cork on, it even warped it even more in a couple of places, like really bad over here and really bad over here. So I'll have to deal with that. But this is how I have it staged. This is what it's going to look like. Everything is going to go up on a hill. And I have another 2 buildings that are going over here, where the street is going to go this way in here. And 2 buildings are going to be facing that way. And then the tracks are going to go back behind it, and then eventually curve back up onto that level right there. Well, I got everything staged on the layout. Now, the big thing to do is remove it all so I could get that down, so I can get this piece down and wire it up, and then get my big pieces of foam and cut it, because all these little pieces in here won't do it. I mean, it'll be too hard to cover everything up. So yeah, I got like 2/3 of a sheet that I could cut up, but it's behind everything in the family room. So I had to put everything back outside, because all the stuff was still stored in the family room that I took off from outside for the hurricane. So I just got busy because I needed the styrofoam back behind there. So we're gonna do all this stuff now, and we'll see if I can remember where everything goes from the pictures. bought a package of these corner braces from Lowe's, and the only problem is they were not 90 degrees. They were, the first two that I pulled in were pulling the deal out, as you can see right here. So I got to replace those because they're pulling it this way. So I had to put them on an anvil and separate them to give it a little bit greater than 90 degrees, so it would set it down level, or else pull it the other way. We'll see how that works. Much better now. I'm gonna have to maybe push it a little bit further, but we're getting there. I was able to cut the foam on the seam, so it made it a lot easier, but now I still have to cut off about a ½ an inch. And there's what I have left. So I got plenty left for over there. And I was just at Lowe's today, and a piece of 4x8 by 1 inch foam, not the same brand. I think that what Lowe's has is DuPont, but it was $25. I'm not sure what Home Depot has. I think Home Depot has the whatever brand this is right here with the what's that guy's name? I can't remember. My train of thought has left the station. The Pink Panther. Yeah, there you go. All right, pink foam, Pink Panther. Okay, yeah, but whatever brand that is, I think Home Depot carries that one. But things are getting expensive. This plywood right here, I was able to get this, and this is like almost cabinet grade plywood. It's not the cheap stuff, but it was like $45 a sheet. I picked up 2 sheets, and when I was there, and it was like that for about 2 years, until about 6 weeks ago, the price went up to $66 for the same thing. So getting expensive. Got my foam cut. Now I just have to cut another piece right here. I got to cut about a ½ an inch off to accommodate the risers right here, and that'll give me a 22-foot scale street right there. The street's going to go that way up here. Okay, the track is going to go up this way, and another street is going to cross right here. I was able to cut a piece off without having to move it again with this nifty blade cutter that I got at Lowe's for, I think, 64 cents. I picked up about 5 of them. So it made quick work of it. I just scored it about halfway through and then went through it a second time. I got it. I got the track, you know, the elevation over here for the track and everything. Mm-hmm. So I got all the foam in there, cut. Got it all staged, so I'm ready to start. So you're going to put it all the way down? Yeah, it's going to go all the way. It's going to go across the back. Oh, okay. So I had to curve it back and then go like that. Woohoo! Yeah. I was just going to film it myself. Oh. Yay! One more. Okay, Debbie's over there taking pictures of me. All right, so I got the grade going up all the way to the back. Okay, it's 2 inches right there. That's where this is right there. I got an extra piece of plywood sitting up on top of that, so you know, I just have to fill all that back in there with foam. And so there it is. I'm just getting ready to start gluing stuff down and gluing the I don't think I'll glue the pink foam down, but I'll glue the risers down and then put the cork road bed on it and then do some scenery after I pull all this stuff out of here again and do scenery. So we got it all staged for this part of the project. And so there it is, up to there. We got more to come on this. I'm on a roll right now, so don't forget Workbench Wednesday. I'll probably have maybe 1 or 2 more videos on this before then, because I ain't got nothing else to do here. So until the next time, we'll see ya, and have fun with whatever you're doing.